So welcome to an introduction to the Clere Golf Hub. During this video, really just going to show you some of the basics about the system, including its navigation and some of the more simple functionality before we start to move on to other areas. So first of all, what you see here in the screen, you see a light area in the middle. This is effectively the area of your golf course that we've surveyed with our drone technology, and this is really sitting on top of a third-party map. The difference between what you see here on the outside and what you see here in the middle is that what we've surveyed is accurate to sub 10 centimetres once we process that information, which really means that any analysis of the golf course you can do just as accurately on this system as you could do if out on the golf course. Okay, so as we begin to zoom in here, you can begin to see some of the detail of that survey. We actually call this survey let's call it a mosaic that comprises of thousands of individual little images of your golf course knitted together in order to create this interactive map that we see. So we can begin to pan out, pan in, we can even hold down our control key and move that map and sort of toggle into more of an immersive bird's eye view of the golf course. So as we said, incredibly accurate what we see here. The fact that we can move around the golf course on a hole by hole sort of perspective there means that as we begin to progress through the system, we can actually begin to add information to it and almost carry out what we would call a virtual course walk. Part of the setting up of the system includes our time really to outline all of the key features that you would see across your golf course. So by key features, I'm talking about your greens, tees, fairways, and if your course has them, bunkers and any water hazards. By doing this, we can effectively then begin to analyse those features and actually begin to give you some really useful information. So for example, if I just pop out on this menu here, I'm going to move across to our feature analysis tool. I can now hover onto any fairway, as I said, any tee or green, and give you not only the perimeter of that area but also the overall surface area. Okay, and as we begin to scan through the golf course, if we pop up to information here, if you just look at these numbers, keep your eye on those there. As we begin to flick through, you'll see those numbers update per hole, and then as we scan up to the course, we can see a summary of those numbers for the entire course. So really useful if you're a course manager that wants to know those surface areas so that you can begin to order your seeds and your feeds more accurately. Or indeed, if you're looking to carry out work on the golf course and you wanted to measure up certain areas of it so that you could begin to order in things like turf, for example. So very simply, we could use your measure tool. For example, we can select the polygon area, and if we're beginning to look at returfing an area like this, once we've double clicked, we can then see in the middle there the entire surface area and begin to make that order much more efficiently. Okay, so that's some of the very basic tools that we have here, and other chapters within this will begin to dive a little bit deeper. But for now, we have three menus within the main system here. Okay, we have the left-hand menu here, and this is where we begin to create all of our records, all of the information that we may want to display on the map. And again, we're going to come to that a little bit later. We have a menu in the top left, and this is where we begin to see other modules that sit within the Clere Golf Hub and where we can access them. And then finally, on the right-hand side here, we have what we call our layer tree here. Now this is where we begin to decide what information we want to see on the map. So as we begin to build lots of records, you can imagine that screen is going to become very cluttered, but by selecting information here, by categorizing the records before we save them, we can then use this system here to display only the information that's relevant to the project we're working on.